Safety car is in. Valtteri Bottas has got a decent getaway. Incident involving Stroll. Hulkenberg noted for causing a collision, so Hulkenberg would have been behind Stroll on that. Bottas leads away from Vettel, from Raikkonen, from Hamilton, from Verstappen and Massa. Lewis Hamilton looks like he hasn't got a huge amount of chance here because the Ferrari is a bit too far ahead. Sebastian Vettel is a long way clear of Kimi Raikkonen as well. And looking back there, Esteban Ocon having a little look on his teammate Sergio Perez, but there's nothing doing there.
Hulkenberg did not cause that incident, in my view, to be nice for him anyway, but Bottas caught the ball napping a little bit on the restart. Lovely restart from him. Caution, front right temperature, which
I assume is either tyres or brakes. Probably one timing a little colder than it should be. Lap 4 and the first proper racing lap here at Sochi. Look how Valtteri Bottas is getting away from the Ferrari of Sebastian Vettel. It seems like those tyre pressure problems he had in Bahrain not affecting him at the moment. Over Lewis Hamilton currently in 4th place as they head round the right hander and onto the long back straight. And the next braking zone at turn 13 is the DRS zone, but DRS not activated just yet. It's a long way behind Kimi Raikkonen, isn't it?
That is
Lewis has had no pace in the final sector. He's been half a second adrift, hasn't he? So much of the weekend. It's Nevis line.